Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with a style for short hair. Just some elastics needed and quickly done. So my hair is prepared. These are the elastics. My hair has some oil in it already. Just comb it through and I do a middle parting. And we're going to do the first ponytail. Oh, I was not happy with my parting, so I did it again. My hair is not used to have a middle parting, so it always higher on one side. Prepare the elastic and make on the left hand side, just with the hair right over the eye, the first little ponytail. I like to do that because my baby hairs enter here. So those that I have in the corner shorter than the rest of the hair are incorporated in this little ponytail. Do exactly the same one on the other side. You see I make the partings here only with my fingers. Don't give too many turns to the elastics because then they could snap. So you see I do that 3 until 4 times, depends on how thick or thin the little ponytail is. Then in the same line, coming from the front, I'm doing a second one, grabbing the first ponytail and incorporating it in the one behind, and I go a bit slightly diagonally to the end of the crown hair, adding the elastic, tighten it, and do the same thing on the other side. So again, same height, coming from the front, and I have silly hairs, the corners are empty, the corners over my eye, there's just thin fine hair. So always try to adapt to the shape of your hair, of your hairline, where you put in the ponytails, and just make it best for your shape of hair. So now we do one in the middle. This can be a bit fuller section. And this is our 5th ponytail. Just bring the hair tie in. The good thing on hair ties is, even I'm wearing a helmet for work, this does not unravel and last the whole day. So now I'm going to join the 2 ones here into one. And now, as I'm obsessed lately with flipping around these ponytails, I give this one a twist too. Bring the ponytail under it through and have a super cute half-up style. Then, because cold, humid weather brings more flyaways, I'm using some hairspray and using the teasing brush to bring all those little hairs down, and I'm done. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I hope to see you back very soon here on our channel for a new tutorial. Bye bye!